Don't eat my camera. Gracie, get off of her. Are you trying to get me? It's hard for you guys to be seen on the camera if you're on my lap. That's my sweater. Babies. Babies. Hey. What are you doing? Dexter's just eating away. Dexter! Dexter! The water bowl is empty. I need to put new water in it. Ouch. What? You're the talker, huh? You're the talker. You gonna tell your dad about it? Tell your dad that I talk, Daddy. And I have a ton of personality. Tell him. I'm a wild girl, too. I'm a wild girl.